In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large files in Zoho WorkDrive. If you've been using Zoho WorkDrive for a while, it's very easy for storage to fill up without you realizing it. Large videos, presentations, or backup files can quietly take up a lot of space. Knowing exactly where those big files are stored makes it much easier to clean things up, free space, and keep your account running smoothly. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to locate your largest files using the built-in tools inside WorkDrive. First, open your browser and sign into your Zoho WorkDrive account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the section called My Folders. This is your personal space where your own folders and files are stored, separate from any shared team folders. Make sure you're viewing this main area so that the next options are available to you. On the left-hand or top navigation panel, depending on your layout, look for the option labeled My Folders and click on it. This ensures that you're working inside your personal file set, not in a shared library or an external location. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right place will help you avoid accidentally cleaning up files that belong to your team or other users. With My Folders open, look for a menu or toolbar that includes an option called Manage. This might appear near the top of the page or in a sidebar as a way to manage storage and organization for your files. Go ahead and click on Manage. This section is where WorkDrive groups useful tools that help you understand what's taking up space and how your storage is being used. Inside the Manage area, you'll see different ways of viewing and organizing your files. What we want is the option called Large Files. Click on Large Files, and WorkDrive will automatically filter and display the biggest files in your My Folders space. This view is designed specifically for storage cleanup, so you can quickly see which items are using the most space without manually sorting through everything. From here, you can review the list and decide what to do next. You might delete files you no longer need, move some to another location, or download them for offline archiving. By regularly checking this large files view, you can prevent storage issues before they happen and keep your Zoho WorkDrive account organized and efficient.